So actually, ganun din. Ganun din yung procedure. Tinotal na lang natin yung for January so that mas easier for us to transfer. Ito yung total natin, cash. Debit natin, 12,810. Yan, so punta ulit kayo sa ledger nyo. Date niya is, again, various for the month of January na yan. So pwedeng ilagay nyo dito, January 2025. And particulars, sales, various sales for the month. Yan. And yung source naman niya is CRJ naman tayo. CRJ, page 1. This is a cash receipts journal, page 1. Yung amount niya is 12,810. Yan. So ito, sulat ulit natin yung posting reference niya sa baba. Ibig sabihin na post na natin siya. Yan. So next is may discount tayo. So hanapin natin yung discount. Again, that is debit. Kita nyo, debit discount 240. So open nyo yung ledger nyo at hanapin. Ayan, sales discount. So yung date niya, again, January 2025. Ayan. Sales discount for the month. Yan. And yung source natin, that's the CRJ, page 1. And yung total niya, that's 240. Yan. So account number ng sales discount natin is 401. Yung na-post na natin, so ilalagay natin dito is 401. So again, last na tayo. Yan, sales. Total niya is 13,050. 13,050. So again, hanapin nyo sa inyong ledger, yung sales. Sales natin. Credit naman siya. Ayan. Lagyan natin, yung date niya is January 2025. Sales for the month. Again, yung source niya, PR niya, or posting reference, CRJ page 1.